The next one is around transportation. It could be that as an employee, I have to take 3 buses to get to work. I work with another group in Memphis where they did workforce development. They had a job for a woman, and she said, "Oh, I'm sorry, I want it, but it requires 3 different buses. I'd have to leave my baby very early in the morning." What happens if one bus is late? Then it means you are probably going to miss the second bus and the third bus. Some people have to walk. Bald tires don't work with icy conditions, do they? So for the employer, once again, it means that there might be absenteeism and tardiness. Might end up being that, hey, can't get my transportation to work. It's now been 3 days. 3 days, no show, no call. I'm not coming back. These are issues and conditions of the environment. And it forces our employees to make decisions about what they are going to do in their lives because of that environment. The third one is housing. Many times we see multiple people, multiple families living in the same home. So this isn't an environment where you're going to lock the bathroom door and have a bubble bath for a while. I went into an apartment once, and somebody had taken the floor of that apartment and made that a bedroom. They had put a sleeping bag on the floor. The door gave them privacy. But what happens then in the workplace? The employee may not get the rest they need. They never have a time down, a time alone. The house may not be safe. There may be mold in the house. These are patterns that we see, and it doesn't always happen. Keep that in mind. But it leaves a person tired, and when they come into your workplace, they may not have the productivity that you want them to have.